Bina Bangsa School is an academically driven school. It is an academically strong school. I wanted a school that challenges my child because I want her to face challenges and be able to overcome them, be mentally trained, and hopefully it helps her in the future. The school is academically strong. It balances itself so well with being fun with the school programs. I made the right decision for my child to be in BBS because my child looks forward to school every day. There was never a cry day. Believe it or not, there was never a day she said she doesn't want to go to school.